40 degrees, and that's across the board, but the HGZ is probably our best shingle for putting on for above 20. You could, and I would say that probably had to bring out some artillery for that, and some other type of heating equipment probably would be the best way to approach that one. 2021 would probably, I would say February, when we get some long, some days that are starting to get a little more sun during the day, and the temperatures are, averaging above 20 degrees. That's what I would say. When you're looking at the time frames and as far as the next couple months go, I think there's a crucial window of opportunity here to get the shingles put on the roof. I mean, if you're going to sit there and delay and try to figure out should we do it or should we not do it, I think the answer should, let's do it now, because the weather, we know the weather is going to get pretty dicey going into December. So I think, in general, the urgency in the next couple months is pretty high. There's no doubt that the pricing is going to play a big factor in that. If you're looking at pricing, then no doubt you want to do it sooner than later because of the supply and demand. There's been a lot of building going on, a lot of remodeling, and not only that, but the storms that have hit. So supply is real low right now. Demand is high. So if we can get our supplies in check and get everything ready to go, we're guaranteed to get those roofs in before not only the weather hits, but before the supply shortage is upon us, which it's starting to already. And the price is going to be going up. There's no doubt about it. So pricing, supply and demand, and weather, all big factors in trying to get the roofs done before anything happens, in the next 2 months.